Hey everyone, welcome back to Workforce Workshop. I'm your host, Chiraz Kelly, and today we're tackling a topic that's on everyone's mind: how to stand out in a competitive job market. Whether you're a recent graduate, a seasoned professional, or somewhere in between, the job market can feel overwhelming. But don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll share expert tips to help you shine and land your dream job. Let's dive in. Tailor your resume and cover letter. First things first, your resume and cover letter are your first impression, so make them count. Generic applications rarely stand out. Instead, tailor your resume and cover letter for each job you apply to. Start by carefully reading the job description and identifying the key skills and qualifications the employer is looking for. Then, highlight your relevant experience and achievements that match those requirements. Use specific examples and quantify your accomplishments whenever possible. For instance, instead of saying improved sales, say increased sales by 25% within 6 months. Your cover letter should complement your resume by telling a story. Explain why you're passionate about the role and how your unique experiences make you the perfect fit. Remember, employers want to see that you've done your homework and understand their needs. Pro tip: use action verbs like led, developed, implemented, and optimized to make your resume more dynamic. Avoid cliches like hardworking or team player. Instead, show how you embody these qualities through specific examples. Build a strong online presence. In today's digital age, your online presence is just as important as your resume. Employers often research candidates online, so make sure your profiles reflect your professionalism and expertise. Start with LinkedIn, the go-to platform for professionals. Ensure your profile is complete with a professional photo, a compelling headline, and a detailed summary that showcases your skills and career goals. Use keywords related to your industry to make your profile more discoverable. But don't stop at LinkedIn. Consider creating a personal website or portfolio to showcase your work, especially if you're in a creative or technical field. Include samples of your projects, testimonials from colleagues or clients, and a blog if you enjoy writing about industry trends. Finally, clean up your social media profiles. Employers may check your Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, so make sure there's nothing that could harm your professional image. Set your profiles to private if necessary, or remove any content that doesn't align with the image you want to project. Network strategically. Networking is one of the most powerful tools in your job search arsenal. Many jobs are filled through referrals, so building strong professional relationships can give you a significant edge. Start by reaching out to your existing network, former colleagues, classmates, mentors, and friends. Let them know you're job hunting and ask if they're aware of any opportunities. Attend industry events, webinars, and conferences to meet new people and stay updated on trends. When networking, focus on building genuine connections rather than just asking for favors. Offer value by sharing insights, introducing people, or helping others with their goals. Over time, these relationships can lead to job referrals, collaborations, and valuable advice. Pro tip: use LinkedIn to connect with professionals in your desired field. Send personalized connection requests explaining why you'd like to connect, and engage with their posts to build rapport. Networking is a long-term investment, so be patient and consistent. Upskill and stay relevant. The job market is constantly evolving, and employers are looking for candidates who can adapt and grow. Upskilling is a great way to stay competitive and demonstrate your commitment to professional development. Identify the skills that are in demand in your industry. For example, if you're in tech, consider learning programming languages like Python or tools like Tableau. If you're in marketing, explore digital marketing certifications or data analytics courses. There are countless online platforms where you can learn new skills, such as Coursera, Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, and more. Many of these courses are affordable or even free, so there's no excuse not to invest in your growth. Don't forget to showcase your new skills on your resume, LinkedIn profile, and during interviews. Employers love candidates who take initiative and show a willingness to learn. Pro tip: if you're unsure which skills to focus on, look at job postings for roles you're interested in. Note the recurring requirements and prioritize learning those skills. Ace the interview. Once you land an interview, it's time to shine. Preparation is key to making a great impression. Start by researching the company thoroughly. Understand their mission, values, products, and recent news. This will help you tailor your answers and show that you're genuinely interested in the role. Practice common interview questions, but also prepare for behavioral questions that ask about specific situations. Use the STAR method: situation, task, action, result to structure your answers. For example, if asked about a time you solved a problem, describe the situation, the task you were responsible for, the action you took, and the positive result that followed. During the interview, be confident, articulate, and enthusiastic. Ask thoughtful questions about the role, team, and company culture. This shows that you're engaged and thinking critically about how you can contribute. Pro tip: record yourself practicing interview questions to identify areas for improvement. Pay attention to your body language, tone, and clarity of speech. Confidence and preparation will set you apart from other candidates. Follow up and stay persistent. Your job search doesn't end when the interview is over. Following up is a simple yet often overlooked step that can set you apart. Send a thank you email within 24 hours of your interview. Express your appreciation for the opportunity, reiterate your interest in the role, and briefly mention something specific from the conversation. If you don't hear back within the expected time frame, it's okay to follow up politely. A quick email to check on the status of your application shows that you're proactive and genuinely interested. Remember, rejection is part of the process. Don't get discouraged if you don't land the first job you apply for. Stay persistent, keep refining your approach, and learn from each experience. Pro tip: keep a job search tracker to stay organized. Note the roles you've applied for, the dates of your applications, and any follow-up actions. This will help you stay on top of your job search and avoid missing important deadlines. Leverage personal branding. Personal branding is all about how you present yourself to the world. It's what makes you unique and memorable. In a competitive job market, a strong personal brand can set you apart from other candidates. Start by defining your unique value proposition. What skills, experiences, and qualities make you stand out? Use this to craft a consistent message across your resume, LinkedIn profile, and other professional platforms. Share your expertise by writing articles, posting on LinkedIn, or speaking at industry events. This positions you as a thought leader and demonstrates your passion for your field. Pro tip: be authentic in your personal branding. Don't try to be someone you know. Employers value genuine candidates who are true to themselves. Be open to new opportunities. Sometimes, the perfect job isn't the one you initially had in mind. Be open to exploring new industries, roles, or locations that you may not have considered before. For example, if you're struggling to find opportunities in your current field, consider roles that require transferable skills. Many skills, such as project management, communication, and problem-solving, are valuable across industries. Being open to new opportunities also means considering contract, freelance, or part-time roles. These can be stepping stones to full-time positions and provide valuable experience in the meantime. Pro tip: keep an open mind and stay curious. You never know where your next opportunity might come from. And there you have ITATE expert tips to help you stand out in a competitive job market. From tailoring your resume to leveraging personal branding, these strategies will give you the edge you need to land your dream job. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Workforce Workshop, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, drop a comment below, let me know which tip you're going to try first, or share your own job search success story. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.